Singtel just printed a 3 and 17% profit jump. Don't get fooled. I'm Iggy from the Investing Iguana. Here's the real takeaway for your portfolio. The headline is $2.9 billion. Looks huge. But $2.2 billion came from one-offs, selling a slice of Airtel and corporate restructuring gains. That's not repeatable. The core engine, the underlying profit, grew about 14%. Solid, but a different story. What matters now? Cash, capital returns, and data centers. 1. Cash from Airtel. Singtel raised roughly $2 billion selling 1.2% of party Airtel. That unlocked value and beefed up the war chest. This can fund dividends, buybacks, or growth. But don't assume every quarter gets a windfall. Watch management's guidance on capital returns and timing. 2. Nxera data centers. This is the next growth leg. AI-ready, high-density sites in Tues, Thailand, Indonesia. Expect ramp-up from mid-2025 into 2026 and beyond. Early CapEx is heavy. Returns step up only as capacity fills. If utilization lags, returns lag. If AI demand stays hot and power is secured, margins scale fast. Track milestones, opening dates, megawatts commissioned, pre-commit rates, power contracts, and EBITDA doubling targets. 3. Quality of earnings, separate one-off gains from recurring cash flow. Focus on free cash flow after capex. Telco cores face price competition and legacy decline. Associates help, but FX swings and regulatory risks exist. Optus overhangs and any fines can bite. Your job, discount noise, price the core. Actionable take. If you hold Singtel for income, watch for explicit dividend or buyback updates this year. If they lift payout without levering up, that's a positive. If you're in for growth, build a simple Nxera model. Assume staged MW coming online, target utilization, and EBITDA per MW. Sensitize power costs and pricing. Re-rate only when utilization and pricing data confirm the thesis. My view, treat Q1 as a balance sheet flex, not an earnings reset. The real re-rating depends on Nxera execution and disciplined capital returns. I'd mark catalysts on my calendar. Next guidance on data center ramp, any special distribution hints, and signed customer commits. Bottom line, strong quarter, but this $2.9 billion is not the new normal. Price the core, track Nxera, and let the data, not the headline, drive your decision.